Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm the Math Ninja here with you solving another math problem. Here we are given two equations, xy plus y squared is equals to 36 and xy plus x squared is equals to 45, and we are asked to solve for xy. Let's get started. You see where I label this equation 1 and 2, and let's simplify this. In this case, you see we have y in both sides, so let's simplify it and say y outside of x plus y will be equals to 36, and in 2 we have x, so therefore x outside of y plus x is equals to 45. So this is still 1 and this is still 2. If we divide 2 by 1, we have x outside of y plus x is equals to 45, and divide by 2, we have y outside of x plus y is equal to 36. So x plus y is same as y plus x, so this cancels out. We are now left with x over y is equals to 45 over 36, and we know that 9 will go there 5 times, 9 will go there 4 times. Therefore, x upon y is equals to 5 upon 4. If we multiply both sides by y, we now have y cancel out. We have x is equals to 5y upon 4. So now let's make this equation 3. So now if we substitute 3 into 1, substitute 3 into 1, we have, wherever we have x, we put the value in there, so we have 5y upon 4 of y plus y squared is equals to 36. So now we have 5y squared over 4 plus y squared is equals to 36. So let's multiply everything by 4. Now we have by 4. So we now have this 4 cancel out here. So we have 5y squared plus 4y squared is equals to 36 times 4, which is 144. So now we have 9y squared is equals to 144. Then y squared is equals to 144 over 9. And the y squared is equals to 16. And y is equals to 4. Plus or minus. So now we have y is equals to plus 4 on this side, and y is equals to minus 4 on that side. We have x is equals to 5y on 4, and we have x is equals to 5y on 4. Let's substitute 4 into y, so x is equals to 5 outside of 4 divided by 4, cancel out, x is equals to 5. So when x is 5, y is 4. The same case here, let's substitute minus 4 for y. We have x is equals to 5 outside of minus 4. Off on 4, we have negative 5, so the x is equal to negative 5. So when we have x is equal to negative 5, we have y is equal to negative 4. So we are asked now to solve for xy. So xy is equals to 5 times 4, which is equals to 20. And in that case, xy is equals to negative 5 times negative 4, which is equals to 20. Therefore, same solution, and both x and y equals 20 for both y is equals to 4 and y is equals to negative 4. Therefore, we know that we have solved this problem correctly. Once again, thank you very much for staying with me throughout the solution to this problem. If you enjoy solutions like this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, let me know if there's a better way to solve this problem. Have a nice day.